You are now watching
Let's just go straight into it and just copy my stats. So pick that face, and then we're gonna pick that for the features, and then the skin tone. That's gonna be the skin tone. Let's go to hairstyle, and this is gonna be the hairstyle right here. The color, I'm gonna do black, and then depends on what you want to do. You want to make him the old 21 Savage with that hair right there, or you want the modern one. You pick this here. Is this one. This one right here. This is like his modern look with the long hair. So yeah. Alright, let's go now to eyebrows. So you're gonna pick these right here. And the precision right here. Just pause the video, copy it. The color, alright. And then yep, so that's it. So let's go to eyes now. Let's go to eyes. And you're gonna pick those right there, kinda low, cause you know 21, he be a savage, you know. So a position right there, you know, copy that, and then black, and then let's just move on to the nose, and let's check it out. Pick that nose right there. Position doesn't look like I messed with it, yeah. And then let's go to the mouth, and oops. And the mouth is that one right there. You want to choose that one. Position right there, pause the video, copy it. That's the color right there. And then go to facial. That's the one you gotta pick right there, because he does have a little bit of that facial, you know what I'm saying? You pick, copy that right there, color. Alright, now the mole. Now the mole is gonna be used as the tattoo. That's the closest thing you can get to the face tattoos. Obviously we can't add more, because I know he has more, but his more famous known tattoo is that knife in his middle of his forehead. So you just want to copy that right there. It's best you can get. So that's it. That's it. Color red, you know, already obviously 21 Savage. There it is, ladies and gentlemen.
I sip drink until I can't no more. Pour up the lean until I can't no more. One more cup, I think I just might snore.